Every night cream begins with the purest oils, sourced and checked for quality.
Careful heating prepares the oils for emulsification without degrading nutrients. The freshly blended emulsion is carefully transferred to cooling tanks to preserve its delicate ingredients. Sensitive actives are blended post-cooling for maximum efficacy.
Every ingredient is meticulously screened to ensure purity before entering the batch.
Botanical extracts are integrated carefully for maximum skin benefits.
Controlled cooling locks in texture and preserves delicate active ingredients. Precision is essential. Every degree affects cream stability. Main processing complete. The cream now holds its luxurious texture and nourishing actives.
The batch moves to secondary tanks, where high-tech refinement begins. Precision